Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm so excited for. I'm so glad I got this in PR. I didn't know if I was gonna get it or not, and when I showed up at my doorstep I was like, thank you so much. I was so excited. So today we're gonna be playing around with the new Kylie and Nightmare on Elm Street collection. I was so excited when I saw that she was collabing with Nightmare on Elm Street. That is everything to me. Nightmare on Elm Street is one of my favorite movies. Freddy's my favorite classic villain, horror movie villain. I love Freddy so much. I have a Freddy thing on my wall right here. I am obsessed. I literally have loved Freddy since I was a kid, and if you guys watched my last video where I did my 31 days of horror, Dream Warriors is my favorite of the movies. So I'm just so excited. So I love this PR box. So when you hold it up, it's like this, and then you slide it open, and it's a freaking VHS. I am obsessed with this. This is one of the coolest PR packages I've ever gotten. I'm obsessed with VHS. I collect VHSs, or VHSs, is that the correct term? I don't know, but I have a small little VHS collection back here, and I have some other ones in my other room, but I love VHS tapes, so seeing this was super exciting. You open up the box and this is what the inside of the PR box looks like. Love the design on everything. It's so cute. We have the palette, we have the lip products, lip and cheek stain, and then the lashes. So this is a little bit more of a smaller collection, but I'm still super excited for it. So this collection does launch on October 12th. I'll put all the info and everything down below for you guys. So the first thing that we have is the palette, and this is what the packaging looks like. This retails for $30. This is what the unicarton looks like, and the actual palette itself looks the same. You open it up and this is what the inside looks like. This is a 12-pan palette. There are mixtures of mattes, metallics, and glitter. It says this Halloween inspired color story features soft and easy to blend formulas that deliver a highly pigmented color payoff. Love the design on the inside too, all the blood splatters and stuff. It's so cute. So yeah, so that is the palette. We have the Lip Shine Lacquer Set, and this retails for $35. It says that it includes 3 versatile shades. It's creamy, comfortable texture, delivers a highly pigmented high shine finish. So these are what the colors look like, and I love, again, the packaging. The blood splatters on everything is so cute. So we have a lighter pink shade, a neutral pink. This one's called Only a Dream. We have a red, and this one's called Elm Street, and then we have a darker brick red. This is the one that I actually have on right now, and this one is called Never Sleep Again. I'm not sure if this is a new formula or not. I haven't tried it before. But so far, I really like it. Spoiler alert. This is a newer formula. This is a lip and cheek jelly stain. I think in her story, she said that she wanted to release it with this collection because it kind of looks like blood, which it does. I think it's super cute. This is what the packaging looks like. It's in a, I don't want to say, it's not glass, but it's a nice, it has some weight to it, and this is what it looks like. It's just a jelly formula. This retails for $17, and it says it's a versatile water-infused stain for the lips and cheeks. Its jelly texture leaves you with a natural-looking flush of color, or it can be built up for a more intense look. And the inside of the unicarton too has these blood hands in it. That's the packaging. They killed it with packaging. The last thing in this collection are some lashes. So these are, I thought they were strip lashes at first, but they are little clusters. So I have them on right now, but I'll put them before I use them on the screen. But you can definitely just kind of use whatever little clusters you want. I use the 2 center ones and just put those on the outer corners of my eyes because I like to do more of a half lash type of look. So these retail for $18. And yeah, like I said, they are pre-cut lashes. So it's the Kylie rebrand and everything. They've definitely changed their formulas and stuff. So everything in here, it says it's clean, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and fragrance-free. Formulated with no ingredients from animal origin. That's what it says on everything. So that is really cool considering that there aren't a lot of eyeshadow palettes, palettes that have red eyeshadows that are vegan. So that is really cool. There's everything in the collection. I will put all the pricing and info and everything down below in the description box for you guys. And like I said, it is launching on the 12th. So this is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the palette. I'm so excited. So this is what the packaging looks like. Love the colors in here so much. You guys know, reds. Yes. I have my eyes primed. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the shade Don't Fall Asleep, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. I'm just putting that into the crease pretty lightly. Once I have that shade down, I just wanted like a really light transition shade just so the other colors will blend a little bit nicer. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Bad Dream, which is the nice like bright red in here. I'm super excited for this shade. I'm gonna put this like on my outer corner and just start building that up into the crease. She's super pigmented, which is really nice. This is a really pretty red. It's like a more of like a pinky red. Kind of blend this out a little bit more this way. Building this color up. She seems to be blending out fine. Like I'm not having any issues or anything. Actually blended out pretty nicely. I'm gonna do that on this eye really quick. Lastly, I think I'm gonna go into Dream Demon, which is that dark burgundy shade. I'm gonna start focusing this along like the lash line and then I'll build it up into like the outer corner. So I'm gonna start like right here. I love this color. And I'm kind of just bringing that along the lash line, like just not any like rhyme or reason. I'm just kind of being a little messy with it. And then I'll bring that into the outer corner. Back with the brush that I was using earlier, just gonna blend those together. Just building the intensity up on this shade, just so it's nice and smoky and dark. I have that shade down. I'm gonna go into, I can't tell which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna use Springwood High, this shade down here. I'm gonna just take that on my finger. I think this might be actually, is it? This is the glitter shade. So I'm actually going to take the other red in here. I'm gonna take this shade right here, Come to Freddy. This one's just more of like a regular shimmer. I'm taking that on the lid. That's actually really pretty. It matches the crease shade really well. Glitter shade, Springwood High, and just kind of like press that over. Really pretty. I don't know how much you can like tell on camera, but in person it has like such a pretty, just like a little touch of something, but it's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go back with the brush that I was using with Dream Demon, that dark red, and I'm just gonna kind of go over where I had that shade first. And we'll come back to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go do my foundation and everything, and then I'll be right back. We'll try the cheek product out, which I'm very interested in trying because I don't really know how to use it yet. But yeah, so I'll be right back. I didn't put on my foundation. I have bronzer on right now, so I want to try out this lip and cheek jelly stain. I don't even know how to use this. Like, I don't know. I think she said with a sponge. I don't like applying like blush and stuff with a sponge, but I guess we're gonna try it and see. I'm just gonna use the sponge that I used with my foundation. I'm gonna use like this side of it. I don't know how to apply this. I'm just taking like whatever's in the cap, I guess. So I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna try it on the back of my hand first. I don't know if I like that texture. It's very like jelly, you know? I'm trying to see if maybe if I apply it that way first. I don't know. Let's just do that and see what happens. Not messing up like my foundation underneath, so that's good. Oh, it stains. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay. I don't think I like this. Well, maybe I'm just like not applying it right, but I will say if you are going to apply it like straight onto your face, do not leave it there for a long time because now my finger is stained. So that is not my favorite. I think I'm just going to leave that alone and just wear regular blush, but I wanted to try it out on camera first, but I don't think I am either using it the right way or I just don't like the formula. It's just not my favorite. Maybe, like I said, it might just be user error and I'm using it wrong. I don't know, but I don't know. It's just, it didn't work for me. I'm gonna apply my blush like usual. I'm using the ColourPop blush quad. This is Cookie Cluster. So I think I applied a little bit too much blush, but oh well. I'm just baking really quick. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up the lower lash line. I am gonna take that green shade, which I'm very excited for. It's, what's it called? Gonna Get You. This one, it's like a nice like dark forest green. And I'm gonna apply this on my lower lash line. I do wish there was like a green shimmer in here. That'd be really pretty. Just like that, I just wanted to add that green to the lower lash line. I do really like that color. So I'm going to apply some mascara really quick, and then I'm going to try the lashes out. I went ahead and just applied the lashes off camera. I didn't realize, I thought they were like strip lashes, but I didn't realize that they were like clusters. So I actually just ended up using the two, there's like 4 clusters on each lash. I ended up just using the 2 in the middle and just put those on the outer corner since I like wearing more of a half lash situation. So that is what I did. But yeah, they're 4 pre-cut like clusters in the lash. So they're not full strip lashes, which is nice because I actually just don't like wearing full strips anymore. So yeah, so I just have the 2 center clusters on the outer corners of my eyes. And it gives me just like a nice like fluffy look. Let's go ahead and just finish off the look with these lip shine lacquers. So these are, it says they're a versatile, a creamy, comfortable texture that delivers a highly pigmented, high shine finish. So I don't know if these are like a new formula, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna probably use all the colors in here are really pretty. I'm gonna use this one. Obviously those are like, I love a dark lip. This one is called Never Sleep Again. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. Ooh, I like this color. Doesn't really have a scent. A thicker formula, but it's not sticky at all, which is nice. And I do like a more thicker formula when it comes to lip products like this, especially like darker lips, because I feel like they won't move around as much as like something a little bit more thinner and glossier, you know? It's thicker, it also stays on a little bit longer as well, so I don't usually mind like a thicker gloss. Super pigmented, and it gives you like full coverage. I didn't have to go over it too much. A pretty nice like line with this applicator as well. This color a lot too. This is like a really pretty like brick red kind of color. That's everything from the collection, so let me go ahead and dust off this powder and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the collection. So this is the finished look. I just want to mention really quick, I feel like the green like lower lash line, it's almost pulling a little bit more like blue on me now. I don't know if it's because it's next to the red or what, but it looks a little like bluish green now. It still looks green, but it has like a little bit more of like a blue tint to it. I don't know, maybe it's just my eyes, who knows. But yeah, let me give you guys my final thoughts on the collection. So I love the packaging on this collection. I definitely think this is like a collector's kind of thing. I didn't know if I was gonna get this in PR or not, so I was planning on buying the entire collection anyway, just because I love the packaging, and Nightmare on Elm Street is one of my favorite movies, so I was like, I have to. I don't know if they're selling the PR box, but if they are, like, this is so cool. I literally love this so much. I love that it looks like a VHS. The inside with like the burns and everything. It's just, I really love the design and the packaging on everything. I've mentioned this before. I am a packaging whore. Like, I love nice packaging. For me, the packaging is a selling point. I do actually really like the palette though. I like the reds in here. I do wish there was like a little bit less neutrals, but I do understand why they're in the palette. Like, I get the vibe that they were trying to go for. And also, like, I got some like DM saying like, oh, I wonder if I can wear like a wearable look with this palette. Like, I want it, but it's like, how often am I gonna wear it? So I think if you are somebody that like loves this movie, but you don't really like even wearing like super bold looks, like something like this, you can do something more neutral. But I do get like why there is like neutral eyeshadows in here, you know. It just, you know, the skin, the red, like it just all makes sense. So like even this like pink shade really looks like the like fleshy kind of pink shade, so I get it. The colors in here are really pretty. You know, I forgot to put something on my inner corner, so I'm gonna use Elm Street. It's this shade right here. I totally forgot to put something there. I like the packaging, I like the names, I like the colors. I think the shadows performed really well, so definitely if you're gonna get anything, I would say pick up the palette. I really like these lip lacquers. I feel like the formula is so nice. It's super comfortable. It's not sticky, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna move around or anything all day long, so I really like this formula. I think all the colors in here are really pretty too. Again, I get why there's like this lighter like pink shade in here. One, it's wearable and it also kind of like matches the packaging and stuff. So the names on them are really cute. I do like the lashes. I like that there are like pre-cut little clusters, so you can kind of like mix and match and kind of just like create your own kind of lash style with it instead of having like just one strip lash. I do think $18 is like a little pricey for like clusters like this, but I think they're really cute and I like the way that they look on. Lastly, this lip and cheek jelly stain. The packaging is really cute. I really like the idea of it because it looks like blood, so it's perfect for like this time of year, this season, and like the collection. maybe I wasn't using it right, but I just feel like I couldn't get it to work. And like I said, if you leave it in one spot for too long, it is a stain, so it's not their fault. I should read. But it does stain wherever you leave it. So I think this actually might look nice on the lips too. I didn't try it on my lips, but I can definitely see that it will stain, so that is nice. But as a cheek product, I'm not sure if I like it as that, but I might like it as a lip product. So overall, I do think that like the collection is cute. Palette and the lip products, I think those are both really nice, and I think they performed well. I really like this lip formula like a lot. I wasn't expecting to like it this much, but it's such a pretty gloss, but it's not overly glossy, because like sometimes I've gotten like deeper colored glosses and sometimes they're like too glossy and they look like just messy and like they don't look nice. But this one was like full pigment, it's not messy or anything, and just like it's like the perfect amount of thickness but also not sticky either. So it's really nice. I like the lip products a lot. I definitely think if you're like a collector, definitely pick up this collection. It's such a cute collection. Like I definitely want to keep the little like VHS box on display. It is perfect. I just love the box and the collection so much. So but the products themselves, like they worked fine. Like the palette was really nice. I like the colors in here, and the lip products, the lashes. The only thing I just like was kind of like about was the cheek stain. But yeah, overall, I do think that this is a cute collection. I definitely think it's worth checking out. So leave me a comment down below if you guys are going to pick anything up from this collection, or if you guys are going to skip on it. But anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.